Hairstyles One, and this week we're going to show you how to do 3 French twist rope braids. Also, this week I got a haircut, and in the comments below, guess how many inches I cut off. Let's get started.
Alright, the first hairstyle we're going to do is going to be a half-up hairstyle using the French twist rope braid. So I'm just going to part off a section down to her ear, like so. You can see we've got her hair on a side part. So then I'm just going to clip off this section right there. And then to do a French twist rope braid, I'm just going to take a section, getting the entire part in there, and then I'll just come in and split it in half. And I do this braid in a couple different ways, and so I'll show you the first way, is I just wrap it around itself. So I'm going to wrap away from her face, so I just cross the pieces over. And I do it once and then around again. And then I just pick up hair and add it to each side before I twist again. Now I've got hair on both sides, and I just wrap it again. Super easy. And I just continue this down to her ear. Okay, once I've got all the hair added in, for this one I'm just going to continue wrapping the hair around itself until I feel like I have enough to reach the back of her head. Then I'm just going to have her hold this for me. Part off the same section on the other side and do the same thing. Okay, once you've got both of your braids finished, I'm just going to take that one from her, and then I'll unclip her hair. And just come in and just kind of smooth that out. And I'll grab an elastic and just join them together in the middle of her head. And come in and kind of pull these apart a little bit if you like. And that is hairstyle number 1, half-up hairstyle with a French twist rope braid. Okay, the second hairstyle is just going to be a French rope twist down the back of her head, like a French braid. So just part off a section like you do with a normal French braid, split it in half, and then just like a rope twist braid that I do in a ponytail, I'm going to wrap it one way, and then I'll twist it to the other direction. And this helps it to stay in a little bit tighter. So once you can hold those in both hands, then I'm going to pick up hair and add it to both sides. So once you've added in your hair, then I'm just going, you can twist it if you want, and then wrap it. Whatever's easiest for you. And then just continue down, adding in hair. You see I switch hands so that I can hold that tight in my right hand when I do that. Once I've got both sections, just twist and then wrap. Okay, now I've got all my hair added in, so I'm just going to continue wrapping, twisting to the left, and wrapping to the right. She's got some pieces sticking out because of layers. That's okay, and I'm just going to fasten it off with an elastic. You'll see that loosens up a touch, but for the most part it stays in. That is our French twist rope braid. Okay, for the third hairstyle, we're going to do a Mohawk section of a French twist braid. So I've just parted off a rectangle on the top of her head, and then I've just clipped off the rest of her hair. So what I will do is just come to the front of this section, and this will be like the first hairstyle we showed you. So I'll just cross it over, cross it again without twisting, and then just add hair from each side. This braid is super fast. I love it. Twist it again. Add hair to each side. Twist it. Okay, I'm on my last section of hair. Just finish adding that in. After I've added in all the hair, I'm just going to twist this just a little bit. And I'm going to have her hold this for me. Okay, I'm just going to put this up in a high ponytail and put that braid into it. Spray a little water just to get it smooth. Okay, once I got my ponytail in place, I'm just going to take that braid, twist it a little bit. And I'll just incorporate those together. It's our French twist in a Mohawk ponytail.
Thanks for watching this week's tutorial. Make sure to subscribe and check out these cool videos over here, and make sure to guess on how many inches I cut off in the comments box below. See you next week.